Now I already given direct power, and we will check pump working or not. It should work, actually it is. You can see, dear friends, the pump is working. That's mean actually no any problem with the pump. The problem only the lints are gone everywhere, and also this gate already got blocked. Because of that, all the water coming out. This is the complaint. Now I clean everywhere. Now I can refix the machine. Now I'm going to refix again. It will come like that, this way. This is actually some cover here. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix all the screws are here. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix drain pump. Here it will come like that. Here lock. This will come like that. After that, 2 screws we have to fix. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the cover, condenser box cover area. It will come like that. Here screws, all the screws I have to fix. Now I have to fix motor, the blower cover. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix here this pipe. This is drain pipe. It should come like that here. Also this one, it will go here. Now it's okay. I have to fix the motor, other side cover, blower cover. Here lock, it will come. It's okay. These 2 connections will come to the pump. Also this one sensor. Now it's okay. We have to fix this clip. We can check it is touching or not anywhere. It's not touching anywhere. Now we can fix the drum. Now I'm going to fix back cover. I remove all the rusty and repaint also a little bit. And I have to fix nut with the cover temporary, because I have to fix heater. Now dear friends, I can fix here. Now back side we have to fix properly here. You can see. Here it will come here 2 locks. Now dear friends, here 2 hose you can find. This is actually offload hose. We have to connect here. But don't change this one while you are going to fix. It should be properly, actually we have to fix. Don't forget this one short one, it's come to here with the body, it is overflow hose. Now we can fix like that here. Now it's okay. This is, you can see here also. This one, don't forget this one, drain hose. You have to connect here first, like that. It will goes here, and it should come to up here. Here it will come like that. Don't change both hose. And also this hose, it will come to here. This one, it should come to here. This is overflow. Again I will show you. This one is coming to the top, that is drain hose. All the water drain into the water drawer here. And also other one, short one, it is overflow hose. Now you can see here. Again I am telling, because if it is unfortunately you will fix wrongly, it will, you have to remove again because of that. Also don't forget belt, it should be before fixing like that. Now I'm going to give the connections. Now I will give the here, this two, it will come to the capacitor, motor starting capacitor. This one, it will come to the motor connection here. These three connections will go to the heater. I will fix later. Now I can give the connection. I will fix before this one. I will fix the screws. After that I will give the connection, harness, everything. Now it's okay. Now I can give the connection for the main control board. Now it's okay. Also I have to give the connection here, earth line. Now it's okay. Now you can check here. Twice we have to check. Now okay, now I'm going to fix heater. You can see, dear friends, heater also I clean. That job actually we have to careful, we have to do this job. Now dear friends, I have to fix here heater. It will come like that. Yes, it will come like that. Also one screws, it will come to here. Now it's okay. Now only we can fix here power. This lock should come here. After that I have to fix one screw here. It's okay. Now we can fix this nut. Now it's okay. Now I can fix thermistor first here. Then I can fix here thermostat also. 2 screws will come. Now it's okay. Now I can fix harness here. And this lock rubber washer we have to fix properly. It will come like that. Now it's okay. All the connectors, everything's perfect. Now I can fix here. Belt, drum belt. It will come like that here. You can see dear friends, after that we have to pull. Now it's okay. Now we can check actually it is anywhere touching or something. It's not touching. Now it's okay. Now I can fix side covers. Here before fixing you have to think about this 3 locks are here. It should come like that. Now only we can fix. Now it's okay. Now we can fix. Now it's okay. Now okay. Now we can check also one cycle. Before complete the job, I can check. Yes, dear friends, machine is running well. Not making any abnormal noise. Now I can check also drain pumps whether working or not. I will check. Now I will check pump working or not. I will put water here. Now that water should come to the sump, that means here, water dryer, water container. I will start the machine. Now we can check here water coming or not through the pump. Yes dear, you can see pump is working, water coming. That's mean pump also working properly. Now we can complete the job. That means we have to fix all the things. I will shut down the machine again. It will come like that. Now it's okay. Now I will fix condenser box. Here it will come like that. Now it will come this way. After that we can lock here both sides, up and down. Now it's okay. Now I can cross. Now I have to fix only heater cover only. After that my job will be complete. First we have to fix here. Now it's okay. Now we can fix all the screws. Now it's okay. Now dear friends, my job already completed. You can see here, no any issue, no any abnormal noise. Machine is running well, very smoothly. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.